Hello listeners! We have got another product to unpack today. It's the AudioQuest Niagara 5000 power conditioner. Let's start to unpack the box. On the front you'll see the on-off button, an on-off light and an extreme power light, which is of course colored red. Now we're gonna turn around the unit. We have 4 high voltage output sockets and 8 low voltage filtered output sockets. And of course the main power input, which is a C19 connector. The Niagara 5000 is a power conditioner in a range of 4 different models. You have a Niagara 1200, 3000, a 5000, and there is a flagship model, which is the Niagara 6000. Why would you use a power conditioner? Because you want clean power in your high-end amplifiers and streamers. This is because the power net always fluctuates between 220 and 240 volts. Of course, in the Netherlands, in the US it will be slightly different. And we have all kind of radio waves which come into the AC power from power conditioners, from switching power supplies, from mobile phones, etc, etc. To have a very clean power will help the sound improve impressively. To connect the Niagara 5000 to the power, we use an AudioQuest Hurricane power cable with a C19 connection. After connecting the cable, we switch the main power on. The Niagara is pretty heavy machine and it's got a beautiful black chromed faceplate. So guys, if you're interested in one of the Niagara power outlets, please contact us and come and listen to the Niagara 5000 in our premises in Hilversum at the Borneolaan 25. You're most welcome.